Tired of juggling multiple calendars and still missing deadlines? Let's transform the chaotic mess into a productivity powerhouse with Notion Calendar. First, download and install Notion Calendar. Once opened, it will prompt you to connect your Google Calendar account. Simply click Connect Google Calendar, select your account, and grant Notion Calendar the necessary permissions. Its initial setup seamlessly syncs all your existing events. Now, the real magic begins. Open your Notion workspace and find a database you want to integrate, like a project tracker or task list. To connect, click the three dots at the top of your database, select Properties, and then under Type Find Relation, click on the linked database, and then click the two-way sync button. Then, just drag and drop entries from your Notion database directly onto your Notion calendar to instantly create time-blocked events linked to that task. Customize each event directly within Notion Calendar. Change the color to match your project themes, add detailed notes, and, most importantly, link directly to the corresponding Notion page for the task or project. This keeps all your relevant information in one easily accessible place. Collaboration is key, and Notion Calendar makes it simple. Click on an event, and then click the Share button at the top. From there you can copy the invite link and send it to collaborators or invite them via email to ensure everyone is on the same page. By integrating your Google Calendar and Notion workspace with Notion Calendar, you create a unified system for scheduling, event management, and time blocking. This optimization minimizes distractions, maximizes focus, and ensures you never miss another crucial deadline. Start using Notion Calendar today and unlock your ultimate productivity.